We're starting to see a little bit of a dusting in downtown Portland on the grassy surfaces, so that's fun to see this early in November. Here's a live look at Doppler radar. We're seeing a mixture of all kinds of precipitation, so I'll break it down for you. Up to the north, we're getting some light snowfall up into Clark and Columbia County between St. Helens and Scappoose, Le Center, portions of Vancouver. The pink on the radar indicates the potential for freezing rain in those locations. Through the gorge, no freezing rain just yet. We've just got snow there and very windy conditions. Down to the south, a little bit more of that freezing rain from points south in Portland, maybe the hills. I've heard Bull Mountain out toward Tigard, a lot of freezing rain there. And then as we head down into wine country, some of the hilltops there are getting some freezing rain, just plain old rain between Woodburn and Salem. So what's going on? We've got this cold air mass in place and then a front that rode up right over the top of the cold air. And for some of us, that meant rain. For others of us, it meant sleet, snow, or freezing rain. I want to walk you through the rest of the day, what it looks like. Here's 2 o'clock this afternoon. We still have a mix around Portland. That's because of the effect of the east wind. It's a cold east wind, so that's what's making things a little bit complicated. Down south in the valley, we've mainly transitioned over to straight rain, and east of the Cascades over the mountains, there's a lot of snow coming down. Here's 7 o'clock tonight, just a cold rain for most of us by then. Still snow coming down east over the mountains and rain down to the south, and overnight everything starts to move south. So you can see the potential for clearing skies as it does so. Concerned about that because it could chill things down and create some slick spots on the roads early tomorrow morning, but I think we'll get some sun breaks by afternoon on Friday, and our weekend looks really nice as far as the sky is concerned. Blue skies, sunshine, but it'll be breezy and it'll be bitterly cold with wind around this weekend. Had to share some more pictures with you. I just love this part of my job, showing off what's going on outside. Holly sent this picture in. This was sleet at her home in Forest Grove, and what a difference it makes as you head to Central Oregon. This is from Crooked River Ranch. My Facebook friend Terry sent this to me, and you can see all the snow that's piled up on her car. A lot of snow coming down in Central Oregon. Here's a live look outside. Little teeny dusting of snow. The road's just wet in downtown Portland with winds out of the east gusting 29 miles per hour. We've got 30s flirting with that freezing mark up and down the I-5 corridor. Still some spots below freezing around the metro, so take it easy, especially if you're in the hills around town. Upper 30s along the coast, so we're just seeing rain there, and east of the Cascades, 20s and teens, a lot of snow. How about that east wind? It's still howling, but a little bit less than earlier today. 29-mile-per-hour gust at PDX out toward Corbett, a 35-mile-per-hour gust there. Again, we have some warnings to talk about. All the areas indicated in pink, winter storm warning. The blue is a winter weather advisory. That includes the metro area. That's until 10 o'clock tonight. So we'll see if that's canceled a little bit early. Some more details on that winter weather advisory for the metro. Wintry mix through this afternoon. Only light accumulations if we see much from the mix. Breezy though. We'll see those east winds 15 to 25 miles per hour and then transitioning to cold rain overnight and drying out eventually. And through the gorge where we've got windy conditions and snow, 1 to 5 inches possible here through the gorge, the western to central part of the gorge with the east wind still howling. So, you know, visibility could be down to 0 at times through this afternoon. Showers ending tomorrow and the sun comes out for the weekend, but look at those highs and lows. Highs in the 30s and 20s for overnight lows Saturday and Sunday, but at least we're kind of drying out. We catch a breather.
Look at that.
Yeah, it's kind of whipping through though behind us right now.
Thanks, Sally.
Gosh, so good to have you, Jeff.
Oh God, I'm working with my 2 favorite people.
Well,
right here.
I mean,
suck it up.
Yeah.
He tells the same thing to Kristen and Ann. Yeah, later on.
You're my favorite too. Whoever's over
right,
there.
right.